Hey guys, it's Dave. I got another Chevy S10 to work on today. If you'll notice, the headlights won't stay on. They're flickering on and off. Hopefully I'll be fixing that today. Sorry if I'm more difficult to understand than usual. I just got back from the dentist. I'm not having a stroke, but half of my face isn't doing what it's supposed to be doing. Let's check this thing out and see what's going on.
First thing I'm going to do is check the headlight switch.
I'm going to remove the trim from around the headlight switch, the dash, and the radio. There's two screws right here that have to come out. Phillips head. Here's the back of the panel. This is the headlight switch. I'm going to push it through. That's how you remove it. Might be hard to make out, but right here this connector is starting to melt, so we're going to need a headlight switch and a pigtail. I had to special order the parts. I finally got the connector and the headlight switch. I'm going to strip these wires back, and I'm going to stagger the splice connectors so that they don't end up all side by side. There will be, one here, one there. And I'm going to install that, get it taped up, and then reassemble. When you use a factory type crimp connector like this one, after you crimp it, you can heat it with a lighter and shrink it, and it'll seal up the connection. Here's the new one just about ready to go. I need to tape it up and put it back together. Alright, it's all back together. The headlights are working and they're staying on. It's ready to go.